Hey there, parents! Are you struggling to come up with fresh and healthy lunch ideas for your kids? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here are 10 cold school lunch ideas that your kids will love. 1. Grilled cheese sandwich with a side of fruit salad. 2. Tuna salad sandwich with a handful of pretzels. 3. Turkey and cheese roll-ups with a side of yogurt. 4. Peanut butter and jelly sandwich with a serving of carrots and hummus. 5. Chicken salad sandwich with a side of grapes. 6. Ham and cheese wrap with a serving of apple slices. 7. Turkey and cheese quesadilla with a side of crackers and cheese. 8. Tuna salad sandwich with a side of cucumber slices. 9. Turkey and cheese roll-ups with a side of yogurt. 10. Chicken salad sandwich with a side of grapes. Remember, a balanced lunch is key to keeping your kids energized and focused throughout the day. I hope these ideas help you out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more parenting tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.